Hello, I'm Rachel Jones for the Finance News Network. Joining me today from QEM is Executive Director and CEO David Fitch and Chief Geologist and General Manager Scott Drelincourt. David and Scott, welcome back to FNN.
Thanks, Rachel.
Now, David, QEM is developing a vanadium oil shale project in Queensland. How's this going?
It's going really good, Rachel. We're in northwestern Queensland, as you said. We're at 16 kilometres outside of Julia Creek. Beautiful spot in Queensland. We have 4 tenements comprising approximately 250 square kilometres, and we're focusing on both the hydrocarbons and vanadium for our project.
So now, David, let's talk about vanadium. Where is it used?
Predominantly it's used in steel strengthening, and we've seen the occurrence of that and increases in vanadium use out of China with their rebar changes. Also it's used in high strength alloys, it's used in aircrafts, and also obviously the emerging market being VRB batteries for energy storage.
And David, what's the price outlook on that?
Rachel, we've seen the prices at as high as $34 US a pound back in December 2018. Currently sitting at $8.50 a pound approximately as we speak. We believe that's a good thing for the emerging VRB energy storage market. We think the price needs to be at that $10 to $12 US long term in order to give that market the best chance of long-term success.
Thanks, David. Now over to you, Scott. Since listing late last year, the company has been very busy with its Julia Creek project. What can you tell me about what's been happening there over the last 12 months?
Yes, we've been very active. We've been granted a new tenement, which now adds to the Julia Creek project. We've done 26 kilometres of 2D seismic across all the project. We've also completed 5 drill holes. The material for that is being used in processing studies, and the results are also being put into the geological model. And as of today, we now have a new resource upgrade of 2.76 billion tonnes. Of that, 220 million tonnes is now in the indicated category.
Thanks, Scott. And back to you again, David. What can investors expect in terms of news flow over the next 12 months?
Yeah, Rachel, we're very keen to fast track the project towards a feasibility study. We've got exploration results that we intend to release over the coming 12 months. On top of that, we're doing metallurgical work, processing studies, and we hope to keep the market fully informed as soon as possible.
And to the last question now, David, where would you like to see the company in 12 months from now?
We've always got a very keen focus on delivering outcomes, and so we would like to have the company in the position to understand completely our ore body and what are the best processes we can use, and to have a commercial position where we can have some direction to move forward at a rate of knots in order to get the project into production.
David Fitch and Scott Drelincourt, thanks so much for the update today.
Thanks for having us.